In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your latest WordPress post to always appear on top whenever you publish or whenever you post a single post. Now you can see I have here quite a number of categories, and as you can see, I've set my latest post to always appear on top. And you can see this was posted on 21st July, while this was published on 16th, this is 15th and 14th. And as you can see, even under my recent history, all the posts that are appearing here, they are appearing in an order of latest to the oldest. To do so, you need to go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. And once you get to your WordPress dashboard, you need to locate this settings option. Once you point here, you will see these options here. We have quite a number of options such as general, writing, and reading. And the list is quite long. Go ahead and select reading. And under reading, you will see we have reading settings here. And the first one is your homepage display. Here you are given an option to set how you want your post to appear. For my case, I chose your latest post. So if you want your latest post always to come on top, go ahead and choose the first option. However, if you want static pages or specific pages, or maybe categories or groups, go ahead and choose on this static, and then choose what you want to appear on the home page. You can go ahead and choose, maybe you want any of these pages to appear, or if you want the posts, you can choose the posts that you want to appear as static. So for static, it means those static pages that you chose will always override even the latest pages or posts, and the latest one will always appear below the static pages. So for my case, I'll stick to latest post, and then once you have chosen that, go ahead and click on save changes. And from now henceforth, your latest post will always appear first on every category or on the home page. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.